that several young players, mainly from the 2017 draft class, are asking for insurance protection from the NBA when the season resumes. Players of concern include notable players, mainly like De'Aaron Fox, Jason Tatum, Kyle Kuzma, Bam Adebayo, and Donovan Mitchell. And basically, they held a call with NBPA Executive Director Michelle Robert and Ron Kempler last Friday to discuss the matter in which they are afraid of being rushed back so quickly, and there is concern following the 3 month layoff that they had of just an injury or that comes from the intensity of which they play, because you got to think they are just playing 8 games and they're hopping straight into the playoffs, and they got to do. I think they arrive to the campus on July 1st. So that whole three to 4 week period of them just playing and rushing instantly into intense games, they want like an insurance plan to back it up. So with that being said, with these contract extensions for these players coming up, so say like if for Donovan Mitchell, who we can possibly see get a big major contract extension because he led his team to the playoffs 2 years in a row, especially as a rookie. He was an all-star this past year, was he not? He was an all-star this past year. So we can see a player like him and a Bam Adebayo, who is also an all-star, and Jason Tatum, who is also an all-star. We can see those players getting like $100 million contract extensions. So what that means is with this insurance plan that they're trying to get, it will be around $500,000 for this insurance plan, so that, or insurance policy, I should say, so they can go ahead and be protected from any type of injury during this shortened COVID season going forward, which is all good and dandy. Makes sense. I don't think they've been cleared about it. There's been discussions about it. There hasn't been any reports to say that the NBA has fully agreed to this, but it's just been some concern, and it's been brought up to the NBPA, and it was going to be sent up to the NBA Board of Commissioners, and maybe they'll agree to that soon. We'll report that.